Reena and Raymond were sitting at the bright school cafeteria table when Raymond opened his lunchbox and gave a happy sigh. Inside was pizza, a chocolate cookie, and a little bag of chips. Reena opened hers next. Her lunch looked like a rainbow of strawberries, carrot sticks, a boiled egg, whole grain bread, and a bottle of water. Raymond stared. "Your lunch is so colorful," he said. Reena giggled. "My mum says different foods help our bodies grow strong." Then Miss Sheila arrived with a smile as sunny as the playground. "Good morning, children," she said. "Today is the Lunchbox Challenge." The class cheered and leaned closer. "We are going to learn how to build a balanced lunchbox," Miss Sheila explained, "how to keep our bodies hydrated, and how to be brave enough to try new foods." She placed food cards on the table. Apples, bananas, carrots, broccoli, eggs, fish, whole grain bread, yogurt, and water. "Fruits and vegetables help us with vitamins, minerals, and fiber," she said. "Protein foods like eggs, beans, fish, chicken, and nuts help our bodies grow and stay strong. Grains give us energy to learn and play. And water keeps us nicely hydrated." Raymond picked up his water bottle. "I did not know water was so important," he said. Miss Sheila smiled. "It is one of the best choices of all." Next came the lunchbox mission. Every child had to choose foods that made a colorful, thoughtful meal. Reena filled hers with strawberries, carrots, an egg, whole grain bread, and water. Raymond frowned at his own lunchbox. He put in chips. Then another cookie. Then he hesitated. "Your lunchbox looks like a snack party," Reena whispered with a grin. Raymond laughed, but Miss Sheila spoke gently. "Treat foods can be enjoyed sometimes," she said, "but a healthy lunch should have a variety of foods that help fuel your body." Raymond thought hard. He took out some chips and added an orange, cucumber slices, cheese, and whole grain crackers. "That is a wonderful choice," said Miss Sheila. "You have made room for more variety." After lunch came a relay race outside. The children ran and laughed until Raymond began to slow down. "Phew," he puffed. "I am thirsty." Reena held up her bottle. "Water break." They both drank deeply while Miss Sheila said, "When you play hard or the day is hot, water helps your body keep going." Raymond wiped his mouth. "That really hits the spot." Just then, Miss Sheila brought out a mystery basket. Inside were dragon fruit, avocado, roasted chickpeas, and edamame. Raymond stepped back. "What are those?" "Maybe we should try them," said Reena bravely. "I do not like weird-looking food," Raymond muttered. "You do not have to love every food," said Miss Sheila, "but if it is safe, it can be good to be curious and try a little bite." Raymond nibbled a tiny piece of dragon fruit. His eyes widened. "Oh," he said. "That is actually nice." Reena clapped. Food surprise. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.